Welcome to this week's edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, a novel PET imaging technique is now detecting early heart muscle damage in non-ischemic cardiomyopathy, allowing for earlier intervention and improved risk stratification. This advancement offers a closer look at the disease's progression, helping deliver better outcomes. Meanwhile, wearable devices are playing a key role in detecting heart rhythm irregularities, with studies like the Fitbit heart study showing that wearables can identify recurring irregular heart rhythms, especially atrial fibrillation. The findings emphasize that longer ECG monitoring boosts diagnostic accuracy, particularly for high-risk groups. In heart failure management, Cardiosense's new non-invasive technology uses machine learning to assess pulmonary capillary wedge pressure, offering a reliable alternative to implantable sensors. This could open doors to better care for a wider range of heart failure patients. On the collaboration front, Novartis has partnered with Profound Therapeutics to develop new cardiovascular disease treatments, with up to $750 million in milestone payments. Their focus? Identifying novel proteins to improve cardiovascular health. A robotic heart transplant breakthrough marks a milestone in surgical innovation. The U.S. has performed its first fully robotic heart transplant, offering patients a minimally invasive approach for faster recovery and a reduced risk of infection. TAVI explants are showing improved long-term survival compared to redo procedures. Though initial mortality rates were higher, patients who underwent TAVI explants demonstrated better outcomes after 1.8 years, suggesting a new strategic approach in heart valve treatments. The TREA mitral valve trial, featuring a biopolymer surgical valve, is yielding positive one-year results, demonstrating improved safety, performance, and quality of life for patients, along with a 50% reduction in mean gradient. InterShunt, a promising new device for heart failure, creates an atrial shunt that alleviates symptoms, providing a non-invasive alternative to permanent implants. The first U.S. procedure was successfully completed at the Christ Hospital. Meanwhile, the FDA has approved the Tendyne mitral valve replacement device, offering a minimally invasive solution for high-risk patients. This approval marks a breakthrough in non-surgical heart care for those with mitral annular calcification. AI-based tools are now being used to predict cardiovascular risks in migraine patients. AI ECG analysis is helping identify individuals at higher risk for heart disease, linking high delta ECG age with endothelial dysfunction and an increased risk of stroke. Lastly, the EASE HF2 study has enrolled its first patient to explore InterShunt technology further. This non-invasive procedure aims to enhance heart failure outcomes by creating an atrial shunt, improving patient outcomes and overall quality of life. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.